Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to get in and out of the floor, well mostly out of the floor with a spiral. We're going to do that in 3 steps, and everything I'm going to do is counterclockwise. It's going to start with a left arm swing will be the first thing that happens, going this way except on the floor. That's going to start a counterclockwise circle, and I'm going to end up walking in a counterclockwise circle when I'm done. It's called a spiral because everything winds in the same direction throughout the movement to get us out of the floor. So we're using momentum to get out of the floor, not brute strength. We're not climbing off the floor. We're using momentum to spiral out of the floor. All right, so I'm going to show you 3 steps to get there. So starting supine. Imagine you're all the way giving all of your weight to gravity, giving all of your weight to the floor. And we're going to start by swinging that left arm. So you're going to go ahead and swing the left arm over the head, and that's going to bring you to child's pose like this. And then you can just reverse that to try it again. Here we go, we're supine. We're going to swing that left arm up to child's pose, sink back down. So as my left arm goes over the head to the right, I'm pulling my knees to the right as well. So I'm rolling onto my right side, even though it's the left arm that begins the action. Swing the left arm, roll onto the right side. Come back down over the right head. Swing the left arm, roll up to the right side, put the right side back down. When you're coming back down, you're again using gravity. So you're going to let gravity take that right hip, take that right butt. Let gravity take that right butt. Look, it's the first thing hitting the ground. And then that takes the rest of me back down. So this arm, it is doing a little bit of work. Like if I had a huge, if this thing weighed 100 pounds, like Popeye's arm, remember Popeye's giant forearm? Then I'd have enough momentum to do absolutely nothing over here. I just pop up. But my arm's not quite that big. So I do a little bit of work. This arm is doing a little bit of work to just get me that last few inches up to the top. Most of it is momentum, but there's a little help from that right arm. Let's go to step 2. So step 2, starting from supine. This time we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to end up in a kneel. So the only difference, I'm doing all the same stuff. The only difference is that this upper leg, which is your left leg, is going to, well now I levered myself up, is going to end up on the floor. Okay, so with momentum, instead of levering myself up, we're going to take the third and final step to walking. This is not to standing, this is to walking. This is about momentum. Try not to think of getting up to stand. Try to think of getting up to walk. All right, so it looks like this. Okay, so let's try that again. So the only additional thing here is once you've come this far, you want to feel this right side continuing the counterclockwise momentum. So this swing is what's going to, and I'm going to force it a little here just so you can see what's happening. This swing is what takes you up. Okay. So I'll just do it a few times so you can watch. Starting with the left arm to the left foot to walking. left arm to left foot to walking. Left arm to left foot walking.